Alright, so welcome to the chemistry class. You have molarity, we're given the mass, and we're given the compound, which is sulfate. And then molarity, we use the letter M for molarity, which is number of moles over volume. And we have the volume given in milliliter, and we need to convert it to liter. So that means we are going to multiply 125 milliliter multiply by 1 liter over 1000 milliliter. So the milliliter unit will cancel out, and then we have 1125 liter divided by 1000. Okay, so that means in this situation it's 125 divided by 1000. That will give us 0.125. That's our answer. So 0.125 liter. So we have the volume correct, so we need the number of moles. So the number of moles will be mass, so that's the mass in grams, over the molar mass. So how many moles how much is the mass per mole? So the molar mass of sulfate, sodium sulfate. So we need to find the elements that comprise the sodium sulfate. We're going to need a periodic table in that situation. So we have 2 there multiplied by sodium. Let's go to the periodic table. So that's 22.99, and then we have sulfur. That's sulfur there, that's 32.05. So plus 32.06 actually, plus 4 multiplied by oxygen has to be 15,999. So that's going to be 15,999. And then we're going to use a calculator. We're going to say 2 multiplied by 22.99 plus 32.06 plus 4 multiplied by 15.999. That gives us 142.036. 142.036. So that is gram per mole. So that's gram per mole. The mass there is going to be 23.4 gram. So the number of moles over the molar mass, that is 142.036 gram per mole. So the gram cancels out. So we're going to have using a calculator 123.4 divided by 142.036. that gives us 0.164746. So you can just run that up or just write it as it is. Okay, 0.164775 just to the nearest. Okay, so that's small. It's not a final answer, so you can take as much decimals as we can. So molarity is number of moles over volume. So our number of moles is 0.16475 mole divided by our volume is 0.125. So we're supposed to get like 1 point something, and dividing that we divide it by 0.125, we find 1.3179. So it's 1.32. So it's going to be 1.32. That's gram per mole, and that's molarity. And that's our final answer. So any question, please leave it below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe.